In this video, we are going to see how we can format a Google Doc like a book. So first of all, let's go to the template gallery from the top. We can see some more options, and let's actually take the example of a newsletter, or let's say a project proposal. So just click on that, and it also has a single page, but let's just suppose that we have a couple of pages like this. Okay, so let's take an example of 3 pages. After that, we go to the file and we go to the page setup, and we can adjust all the margins here. So if you're using inches, you can set it all to 1, or you can set it to 0.1181. And let me just copy and paste for all of them. And from here, if you want to change the type, you can do that as well, but that will make it pretty much it to look like a book or a booklet. And that's pretty much all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.